Hello everyone, myself Amal Majid. I'm going to discuss a question relating to the treatment of creativity. Let's not waste any time and get straight to the question. Mr. X retired on 10th April 2018 after serving for 30 years 7 months. He was getting a salary of rupees 15,000 per month from 1st January 2017 to 31st December 2017 and thereafter rupees 15,600 per month. He received earnest allowance at rupees 3,000 per month and a 2% commission on sales achieved by him. Turnover achieved by him during 10 months rupees 24 lakh. He received a gratuity of 4 lakh 68,000. Compute the exempted amount of gratuity. He is not covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act. That is the question. And if we take a look at the solution, average basic salary 15,000 into 7 plus 15,600 into 3 divided by 10. The salary will be based on the last 10 months preceding the retirement. So we take rupees 15,600 for the first 3 months in the year 2080 and 15,000 for 7 months in the year 2070. After adding, we divide it by 10 and get the answer 15,180. The earnest allowance per month is 3,000, that is given in the question. Monthly commission 48,000 divided by 10, 4,800. In the question it says 2% commission on sales. The turnover during 10 months preceding the month in which he retired was rupees 24 lakh and a 2% of 24 lakh is 48,000, that is the commission. So to get the monthly commission we divide it by 10 and we get the answer of 4,800 rupees. Then we get the average monthly salary of rupees 22,980. In this question, Mr. X retired after serving for 30 years 7 months. So 30 years will be taken as completed years of service. The amount of gratuity exempt will be the least of the following. Amount received 4,68,000, that is given in the question that he received the gratuity of 4,68,000. Then half month salary for each completed year of service. That means half of the average monthly salary, that is 22,980 divided by 2 is equal to 11,490 multiplied by 30. That is completed years of service. And we get the answer 3,44,700. CD limit is 20 lakh because he is not covered by the Payment of Gratuity Act. And we get to the final answer, exempted amount of gratuity 3,44,700. So that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching so far. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. See you later.